one thing that came fairly late, but in time to mention it to some of the kids, was something that happened at a reunion, and where almost everyone had a photo album, even though it was verboten to have a camera. And turned to another page, and there's a picture of a bunch of prisoners of war. And I saw that, and I recognized it. I think it was in Tunis. And, you know, German prisoners of war, I'm sure they were Luftwaffe kids. And without even thinking, I looked at them, and I said, for Pete's sake, we were killing kids. And a friend, a very old friend, put his hand over mine. He said, you know, Slats, we were all kids, but we never thought of them that we were killing kids at the time, you know. So this all came to me as part of the conversations with these high school students. And I also did a class at UMass, a couple here. But you know, one way or another, I try to talk about how be peaceable, be peaceful.